What's up, Internet? It's Cars and Coffee Dave here, and today's a special day because hot off the presses, we've got ourselves a 2019 Chevy Blazer RS all-wheel drive, and it's a mouthful, but that's okay because it's a brand new vehicle, and not a lot of people have any information on this, but we're lucky to have one, and thanks to our friends at Walker Chevrolet. We're going to talk to them in just a minute, but first, take a gander at the front of this vehicle. You'll notice the RS has a more extreme sport look. According to Chevy, we're looking at black hexagonal grille designs with a black bow tie and RS badging. Standard model has a 2.5 liter Ecotec. All models have a 9-speed automatic transmission, but the one we're looking at right here is the 3.6 liter V6, making about 305 horsepower, 286 foot-pounds of torque. And let's see here. Scott?
How's it going?
How you doing, sir? Good to see you again.
Yeah, likewise.
And literally, this vehicle is just off the truck, right?
Literally.
How long have you had it today?
An hour and a half.
An hour and a half, and here we are. We've worked our magic, and we've got it. And thank you so much for making this available and possible to us, for us to make this. And just take a look at that. It looks like someone took a Camaro, squished it around, chopped it up a little bit, and made yourself an SUV out of it.
Yeah, pretty much a love child of a Camaro and a Blazer and a Traverse.
The LEDs right there, that they're super efficient. That's, I believe, one of the first attempts at doing this with Chevy, and it looks good. It looks very good. They're high projecting headlamps, and look at that. You're very Camaro-esque right there on the front. You got 20-inch blacked out wheels with the RS package, a leather pointed interior with red stitching. So we're gonna jump inside real quick. Scott, you wanna come around to the other side? On the inside, it smells amazing, soft, supple leather all the way around. Look at that steering wheel, leather wrapped. Again, that red stitching. You got it, and let's see, that's the 8-inch Infotainment Plus system. I believe it has Google CarPlay. Oh no, it's Apple CarPlay.
Yep.
And the Android Auto.
GPS in there.
GPS navigation. Take a look at the Camaro-inspired air vents. Those look like they're right out of there. Then you've got your shifter right there, conveniently located. And then, man, this is such a treat because we've been looking forward to doing this car since we talked about it a few weeks ago. You guys knew that they were going to be on their way. Yep. So, again, check this out. We've got the 360 view right there. I don't think I've ever seen that in a Chevy before.
We've had them, but this is the first time we've got it in 4K resolution now. I mean, this thing is crystal clear.
That's awesome. And so you can see all the way around the vehicle. It's loaded with all your safety collision avoidance technology. I was just mentioning the teen driver system, which basically puts a leash on your teen driver and prevents them from exceeding a certain speed or going places that you don't want them to go. If you have any questions about that, I strongly suggest you contact our friends at Walker Chevrolet. Yep. Or your local Chevrolet dealer, and they'd be more than happy to answer that for you. Scott, how can people find out about you, and maybe if they wanted to take this 14-mile RS for a test drive, how would they get in contact with you?
Come on down to the dealership, Walker Chevrolet. We're off exit 65 on 65, so Carruthers and Murfreesboro Road. Been there since 1926, so hope you guys can find us.
Awesome. Just give them a Google for Walker Chevrolet, and thank you very much. I really appreciate it.